Welcome to a journey through the most spine-chilling places on Earth. From the depths of forgotten catacombs to abandoned cities frozen in time, we will explore locations that send shivers down the spines of even the bravest souls. These locations are not for the faint of heart. Prepare yourself for tales of tragedy, mystery, and the supernatural as we venture into the dark heart of our planet, uncovering the secrets that lie hidden within these unsettling destinations. Deep beneath the bustling streets of Paris, hidden from the unaware pedestrian, lies a labyrinth of tunnels stretching for miles. They are not empty, these tunnels. Instead, they are home to the remains of over 6 million Parisians, a silent city of the dead. Skulls are stacked high, femurs arranged in patterns, a chilling mosaic of human mortality. The air is heavy, not just with the weight of the dead, but with the stories they whisper. Our journey takes us to the waterways of Mexico, to the Xochimilco canals, where a sight to unsettle even the most hardened soul awaits: Isla de las Muñecas, the island of the dolls. Thousands of them, weathered and worn, hang from the trees. Each doll bears witness to a tragic tale, a local legend of a girl who drowned in the canals, her spirit seeking solace in the toys. But are they truly empty vessels, or do their vacant eyes watch our every move? Chapter 3. At the base of Mount Fuji, shrouded in an eerie silence, lies the Aokigahara forest. Known as the Suicide Forest, its beauty is tainted by a dark history. The air itself feels heavy, the dense foliage blocking out the sun, creating an oppressive atmosphere. It is said that the souls of those who took their lives here linger lost and troubled. Chapter 4. In 1986, disaster struck Chernobyl, forever changing the landscape and the lives of those nearby. Pripyat, once a thriving city, was abandoned, left to the mercy of time and radiation. Buildings stand empty, belongings lay untouched, a snapshot of life interrupted. But is it truly empty? Or do the echoes of the past still linger in the shadows? Chapter 5. High in the Colorado Rockies stands the Grand Stanley Hotel, a place where beauty and terror intertwine. It was here that Stephen King, the master of horror, found inspiration for his chilling novel The Shining. Guests have reported encounters with the unexplained, ghostly apparitions, disembodied voices, and an unshakable feeling of being watched. Is it merely the power of suggestion, or does the Stanley Hotel truly harbor spirits within its walls? From the bones of millions to the whispers of ghosts, these places are a testament to the eerie and unexplained. They stand as chilling reminders of the fragility of life, the weight of history, and the darkness that can lurk beneath the surface of our world. Would you dare to visit any of these creepy locations? Perhaps experience the chills for yourself? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more spine-tingling content.